Hello, my name is Con for Con4 Tutorials, and today I'm going to teach you more about the CLS command that we were talking about in the earlier video. Okay, so let's create a new project. So in this project, I kind of plan to teach you a little bit more about the CLS command and teach you what it really is and what it really does, instead of the basic way of telling you. And I'm also going to introduce a thing called RGB, the RGB command. So that's awesome. And let's do more on CLS and RGB. And you can name it anything, obviously. We're going to name it that, though. And now let's make a do loop. Oh. In between that, we are going to make a CLS command. But we're not just going to type in just CLS. We're going to type in CLS RGB. And then after that, in these little brackets, we're going to add 0, 255, 0. Got that? 0, 255, 0. Okay. So what this will do is it's going to paint the screen green. And I'm going to teach you, and I hope that it helps you learn exactly what the CLS command does. Okay, as you can see, it's just a blank green screen. And pretty cool. Okay, pretty exciting. We're actually working with actual graphics now, however simple it may be. Now, this CLS command, it is not just deleting everything on the screen like I taught you before. It is actually repainting the screen. Now, what's repainting the screen? Well, repainting the screen is taking pretty much Dark Basic does this sometimes every 30th of a second based on what you want it to do, but it does it pretty fast, a lot of times each second, somewhere in between 20 and 30. And what the CLS command does is it repaints the screen a certain color. That's what this RGB command is. This RGB command is a command that specifies a color value. And we'll be using the RGB command a lot in some of these future videos, because it is very important when you're working with graphics. So it just specifies a color value, and between these brackets, 0, 255, 0, with commas in between, obviously. This is your red value, your green value, and your blue value. Hence RGB, red, green, blue. So this 0 is your red value, this 255 is your green value, and this 0 is your blue value. And we have 255 green value. 255 is the maximum color that you can specify. So this is the brightest green we can ever get right here. And we can do some other colors by doing different combinations of these. Like let's go 100 on our blue value, which is the third number. And let's run the program. As you can see, it makes kind of a sea green type of thing. And so that's pretty cool. And what we're going to do with this do loop is we're going to print some things. Let's print after the do. black screen. And we're going to wait 2000. Then we're going to do this C command, except we're going to do a little bit different. We're just going to do 02550 like we were doing before. And then we're going to print green screen. And then we are going to wait 2000 again. And then we are going to make just a CLS command that doesn't have any color value specified. And what that's going to do is it's just going to repaint the screen black, because black is the default color for this CLS command. And then it's just going to, so it's going to print black screen. It's going to wait 2000. Oh. It's going to go, it's going to do CLS command that makes the screen green. It's going to print green screen. And it's going to wait 2000. And it's going to do a CLS, which makes it black. And it's going to go back to do, which prints black. And it's going to be black by that time, because we did this CLS command over here. So, let's run the program and see what happens. See what this looks like. Yay! So it's switching between black screen and green screen, obviously, as you can see. So that is pretty awesome. Let's exit this program. So that was pretty cool, huh? Well, that is sadly all we have for this video. I'm sorry I haven't been doing very much videos lately, but I kind of just forgot about it. I plan to do a lot more from now on. So, goodbye.